Ever wondered if you can bridge the gap between Bitcoin and Beam? You're not alone. This video dives deep into the intricacies of transferring BTC to a Beam wallet. We'll explore the possibilities, the challenges, and whether it's even feasible. Let's get started. Bitcoin and Beam are both prominent cryptocurrencies, but they operate on fundamentally different technologies. Bitcoin, the OG, relies on the well-established proof-of-work consensus mechanism. Beam, on the other hand, utilizes Mimblewimble, a privacy-focused technology that enhances fungibility and scalability. While these two coins offer unique advantages, the question remains, can you directly transfer Bitcoin to a Beam wallet? The simple answer is no. Here's why. Incompatibility: Bitcoin and Beam operate on separate blockchains. It's akin to trying to send a letter via email. Different systems require different protocols. Different purposes: Bitcoin is primarily a store of value and a medium of exchange, while Beam focuses on privacy and fungibility. So, if direct transfer isn't possible, how can you move value between these two cryptocurrencies? Let's explore a few options. Exchange: this is arguably the most common and straightforward method. Sell BTC: sell your Bitcoin on a reputable cryptocurrency exchange like Binance, Coinbase, or Kraken. Buy Beam: use the funds from your BTC sale to purchase Beam on the same exchange. Transfer Beam to your wallet: once the purchase is complete, transfer your newly acquired Beam to your Beam wallet. Decentralized exchanges, DEXs. DEXs offer a more decentralized approach to trading. Find a BTC/Beam trading pair. Look for a DEX that supports a direct trading pair between Bitcoin and Beam. Trade directly. Execute the trade on the DEX, swapping your BTC for Beam. Transfer Beam to your wallet. Withdraw your Beam from the DEX to your Beam wallet. Atomic swaps, advanced. Atomic swaps are a more advanced and complex method. Peer-to-peer exchanges: they involve direct peer-to-peer exchanges of cryptocurrencies without the need for intermediaries. Technical expertise: this method often requires technical expertise and might not be suitable for all users. Important considerations. Security: prioritize security at every step. Use strong passwords, enable two-factor authentication, 2FA, and choose reputable exchanges and wallets. Fees: be mindful of transaction fees associated with each step, exchange fees, network fees, and withdrawal fees. Market volatility: cryptocurrency markets are volatile. Prices can fluctuate significantly, impacting the value of your investment. Regulation: stay informed about the regulatory landscape in your jurisdiction regarding cryptocurrency trading and taxation. While directly transferring Bitcoin to a Beam wallet isn't feasible due to their distinct blockchain technologies, you can effectively move value between these two cryptocurrencies through various methods, including centralized exchanges, decentralized exchanges, and atomic swaps. Remember to prioritize security, research thoroughly, and carefully consider the associated fees and market volatility. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.